Imagine you need a taxi to catch your train. Let's practice this simple real life conversation. Listen, repeat, and speak along. Let's begin. Excuse me, taxi? Yes, madam. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the other railway station. Sure. Please get in. Will you go by meter? Yes, of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Is Dadar far from here? No, not very far. It will take about 20 minutes. Okay, I have a train to catch. Don't worry, we will get there soon. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you drive a taxi every day? Yes, almost every day. How long have you been driving? For about 10 years. Wow, that's a long time. Yes, I know the city very well. That's nice. Yes, it is. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I meet different people every day. That's interesting. Yes, every day is different. Is this your own taxi? No, I rent it from the owner. I see. Oh, the traffic is heavy today. Yes, but don't worry. We'll reach soon. Madam, we have reached the other railway station. Great. How much is the fare? The meter shows 138 rupees. Okay, here is 150 rupees. Thank you. Let me give you the change. No, that's okay. Keep the change. Thank you very much, madam. You are welcome. Have a safe journey. Thank you. Have a nice day. Great job. Now practice this conversation again and speak along. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, subscribe, and keep learning with Learn English consistently.